Welcome to the SJ6 Ultra APP User Guide. Before controlling the camera with the APP, please refer to the APP pairing guide first. For detailed connection steps, please watch the video of APP pairing guide. After the phone is connected, launch the SJCAM app. Tap Enter Camera. Tap the shooting button to start recording. Tap again to stop recording. On the main interface, swipe left or right to switch modes. Also click the mode icon in the bottom right corner. View all shooting modes. Tap the resolution icon in the top right corner. Select the appropriate resolution based on your needs. Tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Open the settings menu. You can adjust parameters for the current shooting mode. Also adjust image settings and system settings. After shooting, tap the icon in the bottom left corner to enter the playback. All photos and videos are displayed here. Tap any file to enter the preview screen. Tap the button in the top right corner. Tap the button in the bottom right corner. You can download the file to your phone. If the footage is not needed, you can also delete the file. Return to the playback. Tap the function button in the top right corner. You can perform batch selection and batch deletion. After shooting is complete, tap the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Swipe to the bottom of the page. Tap turn of camera. The APP will stop controlling the camera.